Now I need both hands to do this, so I am, you can see I'm putting new lights in. They're kind of bright, so I'm going to have to cover up those holes. But here's what the lights look like. These are 5-volt waterproof lights, and they're replacing some 5-volt lights. I got a bunch of them soldered up and ready to go. I cut them in different lengths for different amounts of light necessary, and it's going to be good. Yeah, I'm going to have to put you right there. Do some work there too, but there's a bunch of the lights. I've got some 12 volts there too, and these are the ones I'm cutting out. And we're using the same wire, and I had to redo the power because the power had died. But there's a little hole it's going into, because that one's patched. But there's a little hole it's going into, and it's going to look great. Aha! Got one right there. Got a hole right there. It'll be perfect. There's a new one. I'm going to hook it up right in there. We'll see how it works. Got a bit of hole there. And we got a lot of other things hooked up. Got a lot of light and a lot of buildings. We're going to have a hole there. It needs to be fixed, but it'll get fixed. We'll get fixed. I'm going to light this one. The wire was dead, but we're going to light it. Don't know how yet, but it's going to happen. That is where the lights are all on, and I think we've done a good job. I think we've dressed up an area that needed dressing up. So hopefully people will like that. We're going to put some at the station down there. That's going to be a much bigger job. There we go. It's the top of the Grand Central Station. I want to put some beautiful light in it, and I want to be positioned correctly. So I might let some of it hang down, but I don't think I will. I think we'll cut it off right here. We can use this. This is 5-volt. We can use that somewhere else. Now, this is sticky. It's not very sticky. It's not going to hold more than a week or two, and I'm not going back in to fix it, so we're going to adhese it more. Really strong tape. Seems to have helped in the past. Hopefully it'll work on this. Probably needs something else, so I'm going to use something else right now. There it is. We got our thing ready to go there. We have a power supply in there. It's going to be good. Hope for it. There's the previous light. They were both working, but they're very faint. So we're going to get something better. There she is, all lit up, all lit up. Now I have to do the side buildings next, but that's a good start.